Dear students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Dhananjay Kumar. Today we are going to discuss about the placement drive which is open for Nokia connecting people. Yes, Nokia has started hiring full-time opportunities available for 2019 and 2020 passing out batch. The opening is for customer technical support. Let's go through the complete Nokia off campus recruitment process, which is for experienced and freshers both. Agenda. We'll be talking about job description, we'll talk about eligibility criteria, and we will also talk about how to apply. I'll take you through step by step process. How do we take it further? Talking to Nokia job description, the job role is for customer technical support. Place of work is Bangalore or Chennai. That is after pandemic. During this time, you will have to work from home. Experience required. It is open for fresher as well as experience up to 1 year. Last day to apply. It is told to apply as soon as possible. Coming to the criteria of job opportunity which is open, the minimum qualification for this job opening is BE or BTech. You should have passed in 2019 or you are going to pass in 2020. There is no percentage criteria if we talk about skill set which is required for this job opportunities. You should have good communication skill, you should have interpersonal skills, you should know basic of IT, and you should have a very strong go-getter attitude. Preferred qualification comes with knowledge of computer and printer, and you should also have knowledge of networking. As you can see, this is preferred qualification, so it is not a must. It is good to have. If you have those skill set, it is very easy for you to get placed. If we talk about how to apply, you directly have to click to this link. This link will be available in the comment section of this video. I will take you through this application process as well. Yes, dear students, when I click to this link, I am navigated somewhere over here on the main website of Nokia, which is into career section. If you talk about, I'm trying to apply for the job of technical support, customer technical support, and the job number comes as 0200000008PQ. So I will be taken through this. This is the window which I get once I click that link. So source, I'll have to fill all those details. The first one is source, then notification, then I'll have to go to resume, and then personal information has to be filled, followed by education, work experience, my attachment, and review and submit finally. So let's talk about source. Number one, so in the source, I will have these mandatory fields. Source type. How did I get to know about this job? Probably you can directly click on company career page. It will ask company career page in that career section. Save and continue. Once you save and continue, you will be navigated to second mandate field, which is notification. Select the checkbox below and receive an email notification whenever a new position matching this profile is posted. Normally, I check in this notification, save and continue. Go to next, then it is asking to upload your resume. I do not want to upload a resume and I want to upload a resume. It is good to upload your resume whenever it is asked, because if you upload your resume, you will be taken through. So what I do, I will upload my resume. considering any word attachment. Suppose I have my resume, I have kept, and I have, yes, you can see this my resume, my underscore name underscore resume dot rtf. So that is processed. Save and continue. Once I do that, okay, it is asking, as it was not Word document, it is asking the uploaded file cannot be processed. You might want to upload a different file or to fill out the online job submission manually. Once you are through, what I will do for this example purpose, I will click on I do not want to upload resume, and I will save and continue. But it is recommended for you to have one resume attached when you are applying for this job. Personal information, it is asking personal information, again mandatory. You will have to see this mandatory fields and all, name prefix. If you want to add Mr. Miss, professor or anything, you can add here. Otherwise you can leave it blank. For my purpose, I'm leaving it blank. Dhananjay is my first name and Kumar is my last name. Second last name, it is not required, so I will leave it blank. Street address and all, it is good to write all those addresses and all. So I will fill in place of residence. It is India. Karnataka is the state. Region specific Bengaluru. City is Bangalore. Zip is given. Mobile number is given. Email ID given. Are you an okay, government? No. If somebody is working in Nokia, you can write yes. And not specified. You do not have. Are you subject to have these all questions you go through? Are you subject to any agreement or obligation that restricts or interferes with the ability to work at Nokia? No. Do you currently work for government? No. Do you have any actual, apparent, or potential conflict of interest with Nokia? No. Save and continue. Once you do that, you will be navigated to education. Give your education details here. In the institute, you please fill East Point College of Engineering and Technology. Yeah. And program, you can write BE. Educational level, it is bachelor degree. GPA, suppose you have something out of 10. Graduation date, probably you can for the 2020 passing out batch, you are going to write examination in the month of August, when we are expecting the results to come by September. You can put September 2020. Save and continue. Work experience, probably work experience you do not have. So So you can just fill not applicable, not applicable, and that's all. My attachment, my attachment should have your resume attached. So my attachment, please attach the most recent version of your resume. Probably here it is a must, and if you see here it is given you can attach files to candidate record, example cover letter, resume, reference, transcript, etc. Once the file is attached, you can overwrite it by attaching a file with exactly the same name or an extension. So I have also attached my resume, review and submit. So finally I have come to this, landed to this page wherein it is showing me what I have entered. Source, I got it from Career Section Company, and these are my details. If everything matches, do have a check on this email ID as well as mobile number, because you will be communicated here only. Work experience, if you see, it is most of the time it is mentioned not applicable, so it will show you as you are a fresher. You have also got an here you have option of editing the details which are available here. At last what I do is, if everything is fine, I submit. The moment I submit, I get a notification like summary process completed. Thank you for your application. And if your profile meets the requirement, a member of your team, of our team, will contact you. So that's all, guys. Hope you will take it further, and this video will definitely help you in getting the things done. All the best, be safe, be home, keep applying for this job. Do subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video so that we come time and again with a detailed description of other job details. Thank you so much.